Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the HP webcam cable, specifically model number 72240-001. This little cable might seem insignificant, but it's crucial for getting your HP laptop's webcam up and running. This particular cable is a 130mm AMBUNT LIN, which is important to note because compatibility is key. If your HP laptop's webcam has stopped working, or you're getting a no camera detected error, the cable could very well be the culprit. Over time, these small cables can become damaged from wear and tear, especially with the constant opening and closing of the laptop. Replacing the webcam cable is often a more cost-effective solution than replacing the entire webcam module or even the laptop itself. The 72240-001 is designed as a direct replacement, ensuring a proper fit and functionality. While the product information is limited, the key takeaway is its compatibility. Before purchasing, double-check that the 72240-001 part number matches the cable you're replacing. You can usually find this number printed directly on the old cable. Installation can be a bit tricky, as it involves accessing the internal components of your laptop. If you're not comfortable with disassembling your laptop, it's always best to seek professional help. However, for those with experience, there are plenty of online guides and videos that can walk you through the process step by step. Once installed, you should be back to clear video calls and online meetings. A working webcam is essential in today's world, and this cable offers a simple and effective solution to get you back online. So, if you're experiencing webcam issues with your HP laptop, don't overlook the webcam cable. The HP webcam cable 72240-001 could be the answer you're looking for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.